Welcome to Doony Kids.
Hello, today we will learn about some domestic animals. Domestic animals are not harmful to us. We can also utilize them to do some work such as plowing, load carrying, etc. This is a cow. C-O-W, cow. It gives us milk. This is a buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. This is yak. Y-A-K, yak. This is a goat. G-O-A-T, goat. This is sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. It gives us wool. This is cat. C-A-T, cat. This is a dog. D-O-G, dog. It is like a friend and very reliable to us. This is a camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel. This is a rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. This is hen. H-E-N, hen. This is cock. C-O-C-K, cock. This is a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Now this is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. This is donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. It can carry heavy loads. This is macaw. M-A-C-A-W, macaw. It can speak with us. This is a parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. This is squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.